Now here I can go and show you some tags of HTML. All the tags of HTML are covered in this particular document. Even HTML5, HTML4, these are the tags all covered in this. Now see some tags order wise, HTML tags ordered, okay, order wise this given, okay. Now see, first is that exclamation mark. This is called define a comment. What it defines? Comment. And there are so many tags, we can one by one we can learn that, okay. Doc type, A type, abbreviation type, acronym, okay. It's acronym, address, applet, area, articles, okay, asides, audio, okay. Then B, base, okay, base fonts, BDI, video. That we can see later on, okay. All we can see, all this we can see later on, okay. Block codes, body, BR, okay, button. See, so many tags are written here. So many tags from the HTML4 to HTML5. All the tags are covered here. So many tags are there. So many tags are there, and we are going to learn most of the most important tags we are going to cover in this particular course, okay. Now see, so many tags are there. How many tags are there? So many tags are there. But we can go and see some basic tags. Okay, we'll come here. Basic HTML tags. Now, basic HTML tags we have doc type. Okay, HTML, head, title, body, H1 to H6, P, okay, BR, and then HR. These are the very basic tags. Then there are some formatting tags. Okay, what are the acronym? Okay, abbreviation, address, B, BDI. We can see this all tags slowly. We have a very basic program. We can write some program. Then we can try to use what? This tags. BDO, big, block codes, center. These are all to format the images or text or paragraphs. All this. There are certain fonts, M tags. Okay, sizing. Have to size this, okay. Then I tag, then insert tag, then KBD tag. See, you have not seen all those tags before maybe, okay. But we are not going to cover all the tags. There are very important tags we are going to cover, okay. Then you can practice and you can have those tags later on, okay, becoming. Now you see there are some tags. So pre-tags is there, progress tag is, Q tag is there, RP tag is there, RT tag is there, Ruby tag is there, S tag is there, and the definitions are actually given here. You have to check the definition, you have to read the definition. We are going to write some programs on that. Once you write the program, you will come to know what tags is actually. But before going to write the program, we need to see what tags are there, how many tags are there. Not necessarily we are going to use all the tags, but possible. We can use maximum tags, okay, depending on our use, depending on our knowledge, our practice also actually, okay. This is that. You come here. Now see forms and input tags. Now there are some tags which definitely gives us to write, fill the forms. The form tag is there, input tag is there, text area tag is there, button tag is there, select tag is there, and option group is there, options are there, labels are there, fill sets are there. Got it? Then frame tags is there, frame is there, frame set is there, no frame is there, so many tags are there, okay. Then we have image tag, image is there, map is there, area is there, okay, canvas is there, figure caption is there, figure is there, picture is there, SVG tag is there. See how many tags are there. Can you imagine so many tags are there, okay. But we must have not seen some of them. We have seen very few of it, because in our courses sometimes you are in 12th and he is also in 12th, you must have not seen these tags, okay. But they have taken very important tags. They have taken in a course very widely used tags has been taken, very frequently used tags has been taken in your course. So people don't use all the tags, though, but tags are available for us. Tags are, if in case we need anything, we can go and see the tags is there for particular thing. And at least the practice should be what, practice should be what? Practice should be that we at least know what is there in the HTML. What is there, any subject to take, what is the total actually content of that particular subject. We can use some important things, but at least we have to have a knowledge of what is there, okay. That is very important.